And welcome back to another Minecraft video. And oh yeah, it's just a little glitch. So right now I'm I don't sit here. Okay, so for today we're just gonna wait a little while. Hey, I should make some teams. I really should make some teams. I really should. Wait. One. Wanna be team. Curry. See what I'm saying? You know what? I'm just gonna pretend to him. He won't even listen to me. Why won't he? Okay, we're still waiting. Just wait a minute. Say hi. See, I changed my name to Basic Canadian because he's actually really cool. So let's go and say hi to him. Hi to our little friend. Why are you not saying hi to me? That's really rude. Sheesh. Okay, you know I got 0.0 Alpha Build 8, so it's very brand new, so it's very brand new, so I would love to play it so many times. And Krill Gamer? Okay, game will start in 1 minute. Why am I keep doing this? Krill. Yeah. Wanna be team. Okay, you can see, wait, just hold on for a sec. Wait, you're putting the wrong way. Okay, I'm just putting the wrong way. Wrong beat. Oh my gosh, no more time. Gotta do this. 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 27, 23, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2. Our epic battle. Okay, our epic. Oh yes. Come on, it's so glitchy. That's why I hate about it. Yes. Axe. I would love to have that. Oh, yes. There you go. Oh my gosh, that's so epic. Epically epic. Oh my gosh, I'm no longer invincible. I quit. Just kidding, I'm not. Yo, kid. If I was you, I'll just hit you with my iron axe. Yeah, that'll be good for you. Oh, no, please. I beg of you. Please. I beg of you. Okay, so Ricky's still following me. No, he's not. That was very loud. I should do my volume a little. Okay. Okay, so I hate these glitches so much. I mean, I meant laggy so much because it's really annoying. 30 survivors. 13 survivors. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. I should kill that guy there. I should kill that guy. Please, please. Yay. I like a tired. I want that guy to get killed. Man, that guy didn't want to kill me because he was a coward. I think he's a coward. Yeah, he is. And whoa, a head of a temple. I wish I could be there. Please be the chest be filled. And wait a minute, who is that guy? Really? Really? That guy is still standing there? Really? That guy's gonna waste it so many times. And that perhaps touching in 5 minutes. How should I supposed to win? I get dinosaur. Yeah, let me god dinosaur. That was so much fun, but I just still lost. Oh my gosh, who's hitting me? Oh please! Forgive me. Flint to steal. Lagginess or glitches. Okay, so I know there's a little charger. So, okay, so I hope you subscribe me and give me a big fat thumbs up. So I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I'll see you all later. So, bye!